Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful side dish. We're going to make this delicious Dhaba style Arbi Masala curry. This is a great side dish that you can enjoy with rotis, chapatis or even with some nice steamed rice. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken about 500 grams of arbi. So first I'm going to pressure cook it for about 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, turn off the stove, remove the skin and cut it into medium-sized pieces. So next we're going to season the arbi pieces. So I'm just going to add a few spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. So now I'm just make sure you mix everything well. So all the pieces are coated nicely with the spice powders. So you can see all the pieces are well coated. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. So next I'm going to fry the arbi pieces. Take a pan, just adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Gently drop in the arbi pieces and just roast them well on all sides. These are the cooked pieces. You don't want to add them raw. So I've just roasted this for about 10 minutes. You can see the pieces are beautifully coated and they are roasted well. Turn off the stove, remove the pieces from the pan and keep them aside. To a nice wide kadai, I'm pouring about 4 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm adding just a few whole spices, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a few cloves, 1 bay leaf and a small piece of cinnamon. After a few seconds, I'm adding about 2 large onions that's been finely chopped. Saute the onions till they turn to a nice golden brown color. This is going to take a couple of minutes. So make sure the onions are nicely chopped. If you can't chop the onions very fine, you can always grate the onions and add them. So you can see the onions have turned to a very nice rich brown color. At this point I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste. Next I'm adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. So next I'm going to add the spice powder, starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix everything well. You can see the masala is coming together nicely. At this point I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of curd that's been whisked well. Keep the flame on low while adding the curd. Mix everything well. You can see the masala is coming together very nicely. After about 30 seconds, I'm adding about half cup of water. Bring the masala to a boil. Once the oil separates, next I'm adding about 1/4 cup of roasted peanut powder. I've just roasted the peanuts and I've just made a nice powder out of it. Adding peanut powder will give a very unique flavor to the dish. So after about 3 minutes, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is to just balance the flavors and this is entirely optional. Also add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Give that a quick mix. I'm just adding a little bit of water to get the gravy going. So if you think the masala has become too thick, you can just add a little water. Gently drop in the roasted arbi pieces. Give it a quick mix. Check for seasoning at this point and if you need to add a little bit of salt, you can add it. Close the kadai and simmer for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. So after 5 minutes, you can see the oil has separated beautifully. Look at that beautiful arbi masala curry. It's come together so beautifully. So finally, I'm finishing off by adding some crushed Kasuri Methi leaves and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and this delicious arbi masala curry is ready to be served. Now you can enjoy this with any roti, chapathi or even with some nice rice as a main course. This delicious and rich Arbi Masala curry is ready and I am serving it with some nice hot chapatis today. It's time to taste. so flavorful. The flavors are just excellent. The arbi is also cooked so perfectly and it's absorbed all those flavors. Well, that was a great Dhaba style meal. I really enjoyed because the flavors were just amazing. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. Follow all the steps to get it perfectly and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.